Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create animated videos with Animaker. First, go to the Animaker website and create an account. Once you have finished creating your account, come over here to Create and create a video. I'm going to go to create a blank project, however you can choose from any of the templates that are given to you. There is a lot to do here, so it is best you explore it, but I will give you a simple tutorial on how to make a basic video. First, choose a character. From here, you can choose the character's actions and expressions. Next, I'm going to move on to some text and just add some simple text from the template given. You can also just go and create your own text. With the text selected, you can also add an animation. You can also add a background using the background tab. You can also add music using the music tab. And just like that, I've created a super simple video that you could use, for example, for an intro to a video or to an outro to a video that you've created. Once you are happy, come up to the top right to publish, click download video, select the resolution, and then click on download. Like I said at the beginning of this video, it is best to explore the website for yourself so you can become more familiar with it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.